Hi guys, Nick Cortellini here from Bill Jacobs BMW. Today we're inside the 2024 BMW iX. Alongside me is
Michael Fontana, Bill Jacobs BMW Genius as well.
And today we're going to be going over the Active Driving Assistance Professional with Highway Assistant. Let's go along and we'll show you how it works.
In order to configure your assisted driving settings, I'm going to use the driving settings button in the center console of this iX, which is going to lead me to the menu screen in BMW's iDrive system. I'm going to head over to the driver's assistance menu, and I'm going to scroll down to the driving settings, and from there I can come in and configure my distance control, what preferred distance I'd like to have set, as well as in the assisted driving if I want assisted driving plus active, as well as the automatic lane changing.
Hi everyone, so right now we are in the cruise control settings of the 2024 BMW iX. You're looking at the augmented reality view, which is utilizing the front view camera to get a picture of this beautiful Toyota RAV4 that's in front of us. You'll see here, this is the vehicle picking up the system completely. As we start going right now, the vehicle is going to maintain the distance between us and the vehicle in front of us. Right now you'll see that this is utilizing the speed control as well as the steering wheel for the lane keep assist option. You'll see here after I activate the turn signal that the vehicle is then going to assist me in changing lanes. I'm going to deactivate the system here just to get on the highway. As soon as we get on the highway, folks, we are then going to go over the highway assistant. Be back in a second. All right, guys, well, right now we are on the interstate. We are headed I-88 towards Chicago. Currently, I am in the Active Driving Assistance Professional mode. Right now, we are utilizing the distance control as well as the speed control. In this mode, I still do have to keep at least one hand on the steering wheel. Now, you'll notice, if I take the camera here momentarily, it does say Active Assistant is ready. I would then simply tap the mode button, click the mode button once again where it says Assistance Plus, and then you'll notice up on the screen it is giving me the information for the system. Now, when I'm in the Assistance Plus system, I can then let my hands go off the steering wheel. Occasionally, I will have to touch the steering wheel. However, the vehicle is now going to be in the highway mode. If I activate the turn signal to change the lanes, which I will do so, of course, when it is safe, the vehicle is actually going to allow me to lane change. And you'll see here the vehicle is going to slow down and then automatically go over, allowing me to safely go into the other lane, with the vehicle doing all the steering by itself.
One thing that's important to note is when using the automatic lane change, you're going to have to use the one-touch turn signals. You can do this by doing a half push on the turn signal stalk. The turn signal will flash 3 times. It will not push all the way down, and it will not move from its set position.
Alright guys, you'll see that we're still utilizing the Active Driving Assistance Professional with Highway Assist. The green lights let me know that the system is also armed and active. We're going to do one more lane change so you guys can see in the augmented reality view. Going off what Michael was saying, it's a one light tap of the turn signal, and then the arrow will appear once I am safe to go over into that other lane. Once I have merged into the other lane, the green path allows me to know that there is no obstruction in front of me, and that I'm good to go. All right, guys, there you have it. The 2024 iX utilizing Active Driving Assistance Professional with Highway Assist. My name is Nick.
And I'm Michael.
If you have any further questions or would like to see a demonstration of this in person, see us at
Bill Jacobs BMW in Naperville, Illinois. Thanks for joining us today, guys.
See ya.
See ya.